today I'm back again with some new interesting topic, and that is the medicinal uses of honey. Why we need to use honey on daily basis and what are the uses of it. So here I'm going to share in this video very basic information on the medicinal uses of honey. So stay tuned and let's get started. So the first use of honey is it has excellent amount of antioxidant in it. So that is called flavonoids, and that is very much helpful in preventing cancer and heart diseases. So the very first use is it contains antioxidant named flavonoids, and that is very much helpful in treating your heart diseases and cancer. So the second use of honey is it will reduce ulcers and gastrointestinal disorders. So if you are suffering from ulcers like syndrome, then you need to have honey with raw milk. Then you are good to go, and you will see yourself that you are having a drastic good effect in reducing your ulcers level. So I will recommend you to have honey with raw milk to see yourself that you are having miraculous benefits without any medication. The third benefit of honey is it has antibacterial and antifungal properties. So it will help in destroying bacteria in your stomach, fighting against bacteria, and also it will help in any kind of fungal infections. Like if you are suffering from any kind of fungal infections, then also you can take honey with raw milk, as I suggested you, as I already told you in my previous link of video. So honey is an excellent antioxidant and you can have it on your daily basis. So the fourth use of honey is it will help in fighting against cold and bacterial infections as well as throat infections. So during these days you can estimate yourself that you need to have honey for complete cureness of your throat infections or any kind of cold and cough symptoms. So I will recommend you to have honey to strengthen your immune system as well, because it will fight against bacterial infections as well as throat infections. So the fifth use of honey is if you want glowing skin, then you need to have honey for sure, because it will help in creating your skin without any flexes or without any types of pores in it. So if you want to hide your pores, then you need to have honey so that you can get yourself an improvement in dealing with acne problems. So you need to have honey for sure. I hope you are getting benefit and also getting interesting knowledge from my videos. And if you know more benefits of it, then you are free to write in my comment section below. And if you want to share your opinions, then I am also free to accept your opinions and your suggestions. And I will share in my upcoming videos more benefits and more uses of different kind of stuffs, and that will be ultimately helpful in boosting your immune system and your overall health. Till then, ciao.